Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you using Jquery how to show and hide password with a checkbox control. Now I'm entering the password. Charan, the password is. See, when I select the checkbox control, it's showing password. The label has been changed to password, show password, and it's showing the password in the text box control. If I unselect and the password in the hide mode, show, hide, that's it. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. I'm using Notepad++ for this video tutorial. Notice in this Notepad++ contains a simple HTML code with headed as h1, h2 horizontal line, and after the horizontal line I have added some HTML elements. One is the input type password and the other one is the checkbox control, and I have added the span tag which I want to display the label to hide and show password. So before adding the Jquery functionality to show and hide password, first we'll check the basic output, how it looks, the designing part on the browser. And here we got the output of that HTML code, which contains at this moment in this HTML page the headers, one text box control, and the text mode is a password I have set up, and the checkbox control and the span tag which shows the password hide or show when I click the checkbox control. Now before adding the Jquery functionality, first thing we require the latest Jquery CDN link. For that, search for Jquery latest CDN Google, and from the search results I'm selecting the hosted libraries. In the Google hosted libraries, at the corner there is a contents panel which contains the Jquery. Select that one. You can find different snippets of Jquery CDN links. I'm selecting the latest version 3.3.1. I'm copying the snippet and I'm adding between the header section of the HTML tags. After that, I'm adding a new script to add the functionality show and hide password. $document dot ready function Now in this ready function I will add the functionality. If I select the checkbox control, I want to show the password. If I unselect, I want to hide the password. So dollar between double quotes, I'm adding the checkbox control ID, which is a show ID. When we are adding IDs in the Jquery or JavaScript, we need to prefix with hash ID dot click function. Now if in the if condition, if I select the checkbox control, I want to show the password. Between double quotes hash, and the input password control ID is a password dot attribute double quotes. The attributes is a type double equals to, if the attribute type is password, I want to show the password. So just copy this one up to here. In the attribute method I'm adding the type text semicolon. And also I want to change the span label dollar between single quotes. I'm adding the span tag dot the text show password. The else part Instead of writing it again, I'm just copying and paste here. The password attribute type is the password. Hide password. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output on the browser. I'm reloading the browser. Now I'm entering the password. Charan, the password is. See, when I select the checkbox control, it's showing password. The label has been changed to password, show password, and it's showing the password in the text box control. If I unselect, and the password in the hide mode, show, hide, that's it.